Cellular respiration occurs in the cytoplasm and mitochondria of cells. Glycolysis is the first step and it occurs in the cytoplasm. Glucose is converted into 2 pyruvate molecules. This is an anaerobic process, which means it doesn't require oxygen, and it makes 2 ATP. If no oxygen is available, then the pyruvate stays in the cytoplasm and it's used in anaerobic respiration. The products of anaerobic respiration depend upon what cell type you are. Plant cells make carbon dioxide and ethanol, whilst animal cells make lactic acid. Now, if oxygen does become available, the pyruvate is shunted into the mitochondria. A shunt is just an active process moving the pyruvate from the cytoplasm into the mitochondria. Pyruvate then enters the Krebs cycle, which is inside the fluid matrix of the mitochondria. The Krebs cycle makes 2 ATP. ATP is the energy currency of a cell. By adding an inorganic phosphate, which is Pi, to ADP, we end up with ATP. The phosphate bond is the store of energy. Next comes the electron transport chain that occurs in the cristae of the mitochondria. The cristae is the internal folded membrane of the mitochondria. The cristae is folded to increase the surface area to volume ratio, which increases its efficiency. The cristae is studded with ATPase. The proper name for ATPase is ATP synthase, which makes ATP by joining an inorganic phosphate to adenosine diphosphate to make adenosine triphosphate. The electron transport chain makes 34 ATP and also releases carbon dioxide and water. On the whole, the substrates for cellular respiration are glucose from the digestive system, oxygen from the respiratory system that then travels through the cardiovascular system, and the products are carbon dioxide that exits through the respiratory system, water that exits through the kidneys, lots of ATP in the presence of oxygen, and heat that heats our body. And here I've got a diagram that shows you both glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain in relation to where they occur. Glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm, whilst the Krebs cycle and the electron transport chain occur inside the mitochondrion.